Hey guys, so I'm here at LVB Apartments. They are the sister property of Santi and Adler Apartment, and I'm collaborating with them again. So I'm so excited. Let's go check them out. I haven't been here in a minute. The last time I toured the place, some of the things weren't finished yet. So I'm excited to see what kind of finishes they have now. So let's go check them out. Okay guys, so my tour guide name was Dane. He was the one that showed me everything that LVB has to offer. I hope you enjoyed this video and definitely stay tuned for the last part of the video. LVB and I have collaborated and we have a special offer. The amenities here are actually really impressive. The clubhouse lounge are super cozy, so it feels like a hangout spot. There's also a community kitchen with an espresso bar, so if you are a coffee lover, you'll probably be there every morning. They've even got a full game room with billiards and get this, complimentary beer and wine on tap. Outside they have a pickleball court for fun, patio lounge with ping pong and barbecue grills. The pool and spa feels super resort style, definitely a relaxing spot. The fitness center is open 24/7 and they also have a separate yoga and spin room, which is perfect if you like classes and like to have a little bit of privacy. Now we're heading off to the dog park, which is 10 out of 10, you guys. I love how spacious it is. You can bring your small dog, your big dog, it doesn't matter. You have a lot of space. You can even throw a ball if you want. I literally love their dog park. This layout A2 is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, 680 square feet. This is the layout that I have and I love it because I get to put like an island in the middle and it's just super spacious, you guys. And my favorite part of this layout is that it has like a little office nook that you'll see a little bit later. But yes, this one is one of my favorite ones as well. This is the B3 plus den, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1172 square feet. This one is massive, you guys, but I love it because of the den. So if you work from home, this is definitely going to be your best bet just because the den is separate and it's its own room and you can definitely customize it however you like. But again, this layout is massive. Okay, this layout is A3, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, 713 square feet. I'll be honest with you guys, this one has to be one of my favorite layouts. I just think it's so cute. You can definitely design it really cute, and it has that Jack and Jill bathroom as well. Okay guys, this is the B2 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom, 1049 square feet. This is a really nice layout just because it has like a little nice entryway and the rooms are separate, so it gives you that roommate feel, but I definitely like the layout of this one as well. Okay guys, so we're almost at the end of the video. I did want to do a move-in cost with you. Application fee is $15 per person 18 years and over. Admin fee is $300 non-refundable. Standard deposit is $575. Additional deposit is 1 month's rent plus standard. Pet rent is $45 per pet per month. Pet fee is going to be $400, but if you do have an ESA pet, they are just going to waive that as long as you provide the documents. Now this is optional, but garage per month is $175. Utilities range between $105 and $140 based on home size. But the best deal, you guys, with the LVB and I is that they are going to waive the admin fee of $300 if you use the code Caroline91. I so appreciate them for doing that. They did that for the Santi and now they're doing it for the LVB. So definitely contact them, you guys. That way you can come and tour the place. You are not going to be disappointed. And let me tell you, if you are a dog lover, the dog park alone is going to be the one for you, because I myself am a dog lover and I will do anything for Ozzy. But yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do want to see the full depth video, I'm going to leave it down below. But once again, I just want to say thank you to the LVB team for collaborating with me again, and I appreciate you guys.